Well, welcome back to the channel. I've been a bad YouTuber, but let me show you what's been going on here after the fact. You probably see that looks different. Here's Cage, he's still here. This is the final product here. We had our refrigerator go out on us. So we went, what, about 5 days without a refrigerator? 6 days?
Yeah.
First of all, we had a heck of a time getting the old one out. We had to break it into pieces. And we broke it all up and it fit out the door. And this thing measured out to be about a ½ an inch too wide on each side. And we're going to have to take this window out over here to bring the refrigerator in. They delivered it, came 3 days earlier. I said, well, let's go out there and look at it before we get everybody lined up to come and help get this thing in and out. Went down, we had it in the motorcycle shop down there, and we took the box off of it and we're measuring it, and sure enough, it's too wide. Well, Darla says, well, maybe if we took the doors off. Well, we took the doors off, but it was still too wide, so I had to take the electrical stuff off. Anyway, we got it all stripped down and came right through the door. No problem. We had probably an inch or two on each side. So we brought it in and set it here. And then I had to, there used to be, this is part of the old drawer right here. And there was a drawer there, and then the refrigerator came, it was about right here somewhere. I had to build like a table. Drilled holes, 5 holes, and I was able to cut the floor out in there. And then I had to take that out, and I busted everything else out. And there wasn't any way to make something full size and slip it back in there. So what I decided to do is make like a table. So I cut 4 2x4s, and then I cut some pieces of 2x4s, and we're able to screw them to the wall. And there's actually a metal frame inside of here, so the refrigerator can't move sideways. Where I was concerned was front and back. The hard part was we had to put it back together to put it back in that hole. So I build the floor, we get that all done, and we managed to get that refrigerator back in there. And it actually worked out real good. We got the floor in, got everything all screwed down, and I cut that drawer and put that over to cover it.
Which we still have to stain that one spot.
Yeah, it's screwed in up here. Anyway, it's all locked in. Let Darla show you the difference between what we had before and what we have now. See, she's like Vanna White. Isn't that wonderful?
I still have room.
Yeah, she can fill a refrigerator pretty fast, but this is not a regular RV refrigerator. This is a 12-volt compressor. We had replaced the cooling unit 5 times on the back of that other unit. And I just told her, I said, I've had enough of this. We got to do something different. So we went to this compressor style. And where's my little ray gun? Our other refrigerator barely could keep anything frozen. That's 20, 16. It stays pretty cold. The problem with it is if you turn it down too far, man, it freezes everything in the refrigerator. So this is all in the 40s in here. Actually, it seems like it's higher than it was.
Well, I just had it open for a little bit too.
Oh, okay, that's why. But that's 39. So it's keeping stuff. When we put that dog food, that's dog food right there. We put that dog food in there. In the morning, it was frozen solid. So we decided we had to do something different with that. But anyway, that's the scoop on that. Part of the problem with us being able to film everything while we're doing it is it's usually her and I doing it, and it's just too difficult, especially doing big jobs like this.
That we've never done before.
That we've never done before, and I did not want to be embarrassed. So if I was a professional compressor refrigerator installer, it would have been no problem. But the only thing we have left from our old refrigerator is 2 pieces of wood and this thing. So if anyone needs one of these, let us know.
That helps circulate the air.
Yeah. And Kate says I would have helped them, but they wouldn't let me help them because I would have cleaned out the refrigerator. You'd all been gone, huh? But anyway, hey, thanks for watching. There you go. Now you're kind of getting up to speed with us, and we'll have another video coming out real soon too. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, mail money, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. Look over there. Look over there.